Go.
Go.
Me.
Me.
Good. At.
At.
Up.
Up.
Get. Get. Very good. Sun.
Sun.
Oh, William, that one's for you.
The sun.
Very good. Okay, friends, we are going to now go to our groups. We're going to go to groups, and here's where you're going to go.
Did you turn your brains on? Turn it on again. Ready? Ching. Awesome. So take one of these, and you're going to find the sound D. Find the sound D. Do you know what letter that is? D. Awesome. Find D on your board. Here's the next one.
Apple. Apple.
Oh, before you move, freeze like a statue. Freeze. What's the first sound in apple? Ah. So find A on your board.
It's easy because it's in my name.
You're right. It is in your name.
Okay, so we're going to be playing a game today, and y'all are going to need these letters. These letters. So our first letter is going to go over by the star. So we're going to spell the word lip. P. Very good. Okay, now leave your letters up there because look what we're gonna do. We're gonna change our I to an A. Mila, what does that say?
Lap.
Lap. Okay, leave it there. Don't change it. Now I want you to change lap and make it say tap. It said lap and then you made it say tap. Which letter did you change?
L to T.
Give me 5.
Awesome. Keep your eyes over here, guys.
Okay.
D dog dog.
You guys are doing so good.
H
What are we doing now?
H house.
Good. You cut that sound. You know what? You guys were amazing. Amazing. This was such a fun group.
Thank you.
Awesome job, guys. Okay.